the hood, baby, an Inglewood, baby. Been a bad little nigga since the good 80s. Stay getting in trouble and smoking up weed while I run in the streets with the faith of a mustard seed. And that's all that I need to feel I can't be touched. Yelling, I don't give a fuck while I'm running them up. Sticking these niggas up, chasing after a buck. And I still take some time out to quack with a duck. But soon after I nut, then it's back to the block. Cause this Glock in my spot is all that I got. And I'ma work it like a clock till I ball me a knot. Until I'm caught by the cops, either locked or shot. This is the life of a G, the life that I lead. The life I'ma continue living till the night that I leave. Even with the high possibility of dying with speed. Even at the risk of not being able to say goodbye to my seeds, man.
Lord help me cause I'm falling, steady falling. Lord help me cause I'm falling, steady falling down. Lord help me cause I'm falling, cause I'm falling down, steady falling down. I need to change my ways, yeah.
Bitch, I'm a pothead stoner, ganja smoking loner. Best believe I'll be smoking weed till I'm a goner. Been in shops in Los Angeles, been in shops in Seattle, been in shops in Las Vegas, grazing the grass like cattle. Niggas talk about a battle and they smoke head fables until I stroll up that stencil and smoke them under the table. Ain't too many niggas able to keep up with my lungs. Ain't no facade, I can literally hotbox with God. I'm the Bob Marley, Willie Nelson, Cheech and Chong, Snoop Dogg on Cypress Hill taking hits from the bone. I'm the red man that's keeping your kids corrupt with the ganja cave method that got them fucked up. It's the life of a black hippie, the life that I lead, the life I'ma continue living till the night that I leave. Even with the high probability of snacking with greed, even at the risk of my own seeds, growing up to smoke weed, man.
Lord help me cause I'm falling, steady falling. Lord help me cause I'm falling, steady falling down. Lord help me cause I'm falling, cause I'm falling down, steady falling down. I need to change my ways, yeah.
I wreck the mic with such aggression, I need to make a confession. I terrorize niggas' sessions and leave them with a bad impression. But this is my profession, literally my obsession. I spaz to the point where it's like demonic possession. But I'm such a heavenly dude, don't get me confused. And my lyrical composition is strictly for competition. Everybody's the greatest when it comes to their craft. It's just my ego's a little bigger than some of you niggas. But I ain't trying to hurt nobody, I just do what I do. The difference is I put my words together better than you. Spit shit that heals sick like medicine do. On top of that, I'm a motherfucking veteran too. It's the life of an MC, the life that I lead. And I'ma stay serving you suckers till the night that I leave. Even though I may never blow, I still be writing with speed. Cause hip-hop is in my veins, it's the shit that I bleed, man.
Lord help me cause I'm falling, steady falling. Lord help me cause I'm falling, steady falling down. Lord help me cause I'm falling, cause I'm falling down, steady falling down. I need to change my ways, yeah. Lord help me cause I'm falling, steady falling. Lord help me cause I'm falling, steady falling down. Lord help me cause I'm falling, cause I'm falling down, steady falling down. I need to change my ways, yeah.